Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's essential for any modern web developer, React Query. If you're tired of the cumbersome process of managing data fetching and caching in your React applications, you're in the right place. React Query is a game changer, offering a powerful yet simple solution to these challenges. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to efficiently manage server state, boost your application's performance, and enhance your development experience. So why should you care? Because mastering React Query means you can focus more on building amazing features and less on the nitty-gritty of data management. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality tutorials that keep you at the forefront of web development. Let's start with the core concepts of React Query. Imagine React Query as a sophisticated librarian for your React app. It knows where all your data is stored, fetches it when needed, and even updates it when something changes. The principle of declarative data fetching allows you to simply state what data your component needs, and React Query takes care of the rest. It handles everything from caching to synchronization and error handling, much like a personal assistant who anticipates your needs. The architecture includes a query client, which is the central manager, and components like query cache for storing data. React Query also integrates seamlessly with other tools and data sources, making it versatile for any project. Whether you're building a small app or a complex platform, understanding these concepts will help you utilize React Query to its full potential. Let's walk through a practical example to see React Query in action. We'll be working with the product list component, which fetches and displays a list of products. Here's the code for productlist.js, where we utilize the useQuery hook from React Query. This hook manages our data fetching, handles loading states, and caches the data efficiently. Notice how we define a fetchProducts function that uses Axios to fetch data from an API. The useQuery hook takes care of calling this function, and it automatically handles the loading and error states. By setting options like stale time and cache time, we control how fresh or stale our data is considered. This means we can show cached data instantly and update it in the background, providing a seamless experience for users. Now let's see this in action. Imagine you're visiting our React Query demo application. As you navigate to the product list, you'll notice the page header reads React Query example, product list, confirming our setup. The products begin to load, and within moments, you see a beautifully rendered list of items, each with a title, image, and description. As you scroll down, the application seamlessly handles loading more content, ensuring you have a smooth browsing experience. Importantly, any errors that might occur during data fetching are gracefully managed, so you're never left staring at a blank page. This is the power of React Query, efficient, user-friendly data management. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of React Query and how it can transform your React applications. We've explored its core principles, seen it in action with a practical example, and witnessed its impact through a demonstration. By leveraging React Query, you're not only improving the performance and reliability of your applications, but also enhancing your development workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll gain access to more insightful content that accelerates your learning and keeps you ahead of the curve in web development. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.